Today I have a friend coming to help, and I'm trying to think about what should be the first thing we do. And I think that what we'll do, and again, it's so tough to know. I think we'll use the telehandler and start trying to place those last remaining 4 trusses. I have all of the A's sitting on the slab where those need to go. So I think we'll start with just picking all those A's up, moving them onto the side of the house so that they can get lifted up afterward. But move all those off to the side. And then what I think we might do is just pick up all of the trusses. There's 4 of them laying up against the side of the house. Pick up all of those trusses with the telehandler and then just place them one by one and slowly work our way toward the end of the slab. That's what I think we're gonna get up to today. We'll see as the day actually unfolds. It's a nice mild day. There's like no wind at this point. The sun's supposed to come out later on, which would be really nice. But I'm happy because the last week was really difficult. So yesterday and today, it really brightens your spirits to be slightly warmer. So that's what we're doing today. Time to get after it. One side. Now we move everything over here. Do it again. Okay, now that I have that string line, I know that this block is what's going to fit between the trusses. And so I can set that block there, grab my pencil, and I can make a mark because I know that that's where that plate needs to be. Take that out of the way. Now with the plate, I can hold this, and I know that has to be in line with that string. Can make a temporary pencil mark. Temporary pencil mark in the center of those holes. Bring this back in here to double check. That looks good. Then, to make sure that that pencil mark I'm going to miss, and when I'm using the hammer drill, it's going to want to wander around. So I take my nail set, or nail punch or whatever, hit into the concrete. Now I've got a nice divot that I can actually put the drill bit into, and it's not going to wander around. Got to do this along all the other ones, then we're good to go. I've been pre-drilling them all with a 3/8 drill bit and finishing it with a 10 mil that the screws require. Hercules! Uh-oh.
Oh my goodness.
Rob, you are jacked.
I can't go up!
I can admit.